Hello friend, this is Dr. Ashish Panchal, your biology NEET guru from Trisha Institute of Biology। बच्चों जैसे हमने लास्ट वीडियो में पढ़ा एस्टिवेशन, आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एंड्रोशियम स्टेमन। सो वी ऑल नो दैट बेटा कि एंड्रोशियम इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ द स्टेमन, मीन्स मैनी स्टेमन्स आर grouped together and it form the androecium. Now we all know that beta androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. Same way the androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower. Each stamen consists of the three part. Which one beta? So filament, connective and anther. Each stamen consists of the three part. Which one? Filament, connective and the anther. Now look at here. This is the filament. Then here it is the anther. And the joining part is known as the connective. So this is the anther. The second one is connective. This is called the connective, and this one is the filament. So each stamen, this is the one stamen, each stamen consists of the anther, filament and connective. Most of the cases anther is bilobed. Most of the cases anther is bilobed. And when we take the section of anther, it is look like this beta. Okay, this is look like this, and inside the anther it possesses the pollen sac. This is the pollen sac, and this pollen sac has the pollen grain. Okay, so most of the stamens are bilobed beta. Most of the stamens are bilobed. Each anther lobe possesses the pollen sac. Each anther lobe possesses the pollen sac. If it is bilobed, then there are 4 pollen sac, and this pollen sac produce the pollen grains. So androecium is composed of the stamen. It's a male reproductive part. Each stamen consists of the filament, connective and anther. Each anther is bilobed, and the anther possesses the pollen sac, and inside this pollen sac it possesses the pollen grain. Sometime in some flower, if androecium is absent or the stamen is absent, then it is known as the staminoid. Stamen is absent, then it is known as the staminoid. Okay. Now how the filament attach to the anther? So there are 4 ways the filament attach to the anther. First one is the adenate. First one is adenate, and in adenate actually it is like this, means the filament is attached to the whole length of anther. Anther की पूरी लेंथ में बेटा फिलामेंट अटैच होंगे. In the bilobe, this is the first one. The second one is basifixed. So in basifixed, suppose this is the anther, so the filament is attached like this. This is called the basifixed beta. The third one is the dorsifixed. So in dorsifixed it is like this beta. The filament is attached to the dorsal side, right? And the versatile, in versatile it is like this. The filament attached to the anther with only one point, and it is swinged. Okay, it is swinged. So here look at here, adenate type, the filament attached the whole length of the anther. Filament attached to the whole length of the anther, and where it is found? It is found in champa and magnolia. Basifix, filament attached to the base of the anther like this. It is found in datura, radish and mustard. Dorsifixed, the filament attach at the dorsal part of the anther and it is found in passion flower. And in versatile beta, filament attach at the back side, only one point, at only one point, and it is swing beta, वो घूमता रहेगा. That is found in grass, wheat and the maize. So this is the attachment of the filament and the anther. Now cohesion and the adhesion. So what is cohesion beta? Cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion means when a similar part of the flower is fused together. Cohesion means when a similar part of the flower is fused together, that is called the cohesion. And the dissimilar part of the flower is fused together, that is called the adhesion. So when a similar floral part is fused together, then it is known as the cohesion. And adhesion means when the stamen attached to the other part of the flower, different part, like androecium and gynoecium fuse, adhesion. To androecium fuse, cohesion. Clear? Now when first is the polyandrous beta. What is polyandrous? Polyandrous means when all these stamens are free from each other. When all the stamens are free from each other, then it is known as the polyandrous. Adelphi beta. Adelphi का मतलब when the anther of the stamens are free, means anther is free but the filament is fused. Anther is free but the filament is fused, then it is known as the Adelphi. Like there are three types beta: monoadelphi, diadelphi and polyadelphi. And what happened in the monoadelphi? Look at here beta. In monoadelphi, देखो बेटा, now here all the anther, these all are the anther. ये सब क्या है बेटा? Anther. So anther are free but their filament is fused and this is the filament. Okay, so this is the first one. In monoadelphi beta, all the filament are united in a single bundle but anther is free, and this all filament form the tube around the gynoecium. यानी बेटा ट्यूब बनाएंगे, बीच में बेटा ये gynoecium है, this is called the gynoecium. So gynoecium के आसपास बेटा ट्यूब बनाएंगे and that tube is known as the staminal tube. That tube is known as the staminal tube beta. So in the monoadelphi, all the anther are free but they all are fused into the one single filament, and this filament is formed the tube like structure surrounding the gynoecium, and that tube like structure is known as the staminal tube. Where it is found? It is found in the cotton, ladyfinger and China rose. Diadelphi beta. So in diadelphi what happened? All the filament are fused in a two bundle. All filament are fused in look at here. Here the filament anther are free and the filament are fused, and there are two bundle, 1 and 2 bundle. So it is found in the PB 9 plus 1. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this is 1. This is the second number, diadelphi. And in polyadelphi beta, there are more than 2 bundle, the bundle 1, bundle 2, bundle 3, okay, and here they possess the anther like this. Means बेटा यहां पर क्या होगा बेटा, so there are more than 2 bundle are there, that is called the polyadelphy. Diadelphy when the filament are in 2 bundle, अगर बेटा filament 2 bundle में होंगे then it is known as the diadelphy, P bean. Polyadelphy when the filament are more than 2 bundle, बेटा 2 bundle से ज्यादा होगा, found in citrus and the castor. Now synandrous बेटा, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है बेटा, synandrous क्या होगा बेटा, synandrous का मतलब एंथर एंड फिलामेंट बोथ आर फ्यूज्ड, ओके, इसको मैं 4 नंबर दू बेटा, 4 and 5, एंथर एंड फिलामेंट बोथ आर फ्यूज्ड. तो यहां क्या होगा बेटा, सपोज दिस इज द एंथर, 1 एंथर, 2 एंथर, 3 एंथर, 4 एंथर एंड सबका फिलामेंट भी बेटा क्या है, फ्यूज. सो एंथर एंड फिलामेंट both are fused. This is the filament and this one is anther. सब fused हो बेटा, देखो यहां पर क्या है, anther and filament both are fused. कहां पर होगा बेटा, it is found in colocasia and alocasia. Synangiosis बेटा, synangiosis, anther are fused but the filament are free like this बेटा. This is the 1 anther, this is the 2nd anther, this is the 3rd anther, this one is the 4 anther, but their filament are free. Clear? This is the anther, this is the filament. It is the 5th in number beta. So यहाँ क्या होगा बेटा, anther fused and the filament is free. So this is the synangiosis. So cohesion मतलब बेटा when similar role are fused, that is called cohesion. Polyandrous, all stamens are free, that is polyandrous. If they are fused, adelphy. Anther में stamen में anther free होगा but filament is few. उसमें बेटा अगर एक ही बंडल में होगा monoadelphous, 2 बंडल होंगे diadelphous, 2 से ज्यादा होंगे polyadelphous. Anther and filament दोनों fused होंगे synandrous. Anther fused होंगे, filament free होंगे, that is known as the synangiosis. Now adhesion, stamen attached to the other role, यानी stamen बेटा कोई और फ्लावर के पार्ट के साथ ज्वाइंट हो, जैसे फर्स्ट बेटा एपीपेटलस, stamens are fused with petal. Stamens and petals are fused. Stamen and corolla is fused. Then it is epipetalous, brinjal, datura and potato. Then epiphyllus बेटा क्या है, epiphyllus, where the stamen are fused with the tepal. Tepal मतलब बेटा corolla and calyx fixed. Corolla and calyx is fixed, that is called the tepal. तो tepal के साथ stamen भी fused है, तो 3 पार्ट fused, stamen, corolla and calyx, that is known as the epiphyllus. किसमें होगा बेटा, onion and lily. And last is the gynandrous बेटा, stamen is fused with the gynoecium. Okay, means stamen and gynoecium, male and female reproductive part are fused together, then it is known as the gynandrous, where it is found Calotropis and Aristolochia beta. So this is all about the androecium, structure of androecium, how the androecium attached to the, means filament attached to the anther, cohesion of the stamen and the adhesion of the stamen. Okay beta. So now in next lecture we will discuss the gynoecium beta. Thank you. Have a good day.